Alright guys, today we're doing a drain and fill on the Genesis Coupe. What is this, 3.8? This is the 3.8 liter, the automatic transmission. This is the 8-speed. This is a BK2, not a BK1. So BK2 automatic should be the same for BK1 roughly. So we're doing a flush on this. There's 3 bolts you gotta look at. One right here, which is the drain bolt or the fill bolt. Drain bolts, this one right here, you can see it says drain, and this is the level bolt. Now make sure you open up that one first, and then this one, then you go with this one. You know, you check your level with that, you fill it with that, and then drain it with this. So make sure that opens up, and then we're gonna do it. So let's do it. We're using a jug here to see how much fluid comes out. You want to open up the level one too? Open the level one up? Yeah, make sure. That's the wrong Allen key. Is it right? Oh, alright. Okay. Make sure you get that first. For a second. There you go. So check the level. So that's the level. So you know fluid's in there. That's pretty dark, not gonna lie. Jeez. So we're gonna open both up at the same time. So we're just gonna see, we're checking it, and we open up the drain bolts. Okay, see I'm messing with that. Yeah, open up the side bolt there to make a better flow or better flow come out. So far we got about 1.5 liters from the level bolt. And let's see how much comes out now. Alright, we're
Yours?
yeah.
Sorry, I didn't mean to insult you.
Yeah, you did, Tim.
You said 2 employees.
No, we're doing it.
That fluid's actually pretty dark. It's a bit old. There's a fill bolt. Okay, so roughly 3.5. 3.5 roughly. I mean, still some coming out, so we'll let it drain out fully then? Alright. So we're gonna let it drain out fully and then we'll come back to it. So far we've taken out 3.2 maybe? 3.3? Roughly 3.5 will probably be the total. Yeah, 3.5 liters came out so far. That's pretty fucking dirty, not gonna lie. I mean, it's a bit dark red, I know it's transmission fluid, but it's a bit dirty. Alright, so I guess, yeah, we're gonna fill it up now. Alright, so how we're filling it in, we have a little pump here. How we're going through the fill bolt. We just pump it and let the fluid go in. Roughly we gotta put about 3.5 liters in, and then we'll check if any steady stream comes out of that. Okay, there you go. You can see it being filled in. Struggle's real. Pump. Oh shit, yeah, you wanna put it back in the hole? It came out. It's dripping. Gotta put it back in the hole. It's too loose. Oh shit. There you go. Alright, so we filled it up about 3.5 in, and then when you fill it up, you'll see a steady stream of fluid start coming out. So that's how you know you're good. Now we gotta just put that back in there. And the procedure for it is when you turn it on, get an operating temperature, put it in park, drive, park, and then lift the car up while still running and see if fluid comes out of this. If it doesn't come out, then you gotta top it up. We're gonna turn the car on, let it run for a bit, and then we'll check the level. But roughly, we don't have to really do much because there's the old fluid, 3.5. So we put 3.5 in roughly. So we'll start it up and see. I do reverse, neutral, drive, neutral. Got roughly 2 seconds per gear. And then shift the car into neutral and leave it in neutral. And then lift up the car. So now we're gonna lift it up. The steady stream's coming out, then we're good.
They take it off?
Yeah, let's see.
They drop it?
Yeah, okay. It needs to be topped off. There's nothing, still needs a bit more fluid. So, still plug that back in. Now we gotta open up the other bolt. Clean that up or? Alright, now we open up the side again. Now we gotta top it up. So you open that one up. So if when you open this one up and nothing comes out, you gotta add a bit more in there. Same thing with the level bulb. As according to the procedures for this car. They're doing that until a flow starts coming out. I think so, yeah, it's almost there. That hot fluid coming out. Yeah, let's see, it's starting to get steady. Hold on. Almost there.
Still not full?
Almost. Okay. Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. Okay, there you go, that's good, we're good, that's it. Seal it up, seal it up, seal it up. Quickly, quickly, quickly. There you go. Yeah, it's coming out. This is steady. I mean, transmission's topped up. And now we seal up everything, clean it up, and go for a drive. Okay, so now we're changing the fluid. Car should be running good. You can see. I mean, I feel like it's keeping gear longer. Before it would come out of gear and then re-engage. It slipped. See that? Not slipped. The traction light came on. But see how quick that was? Before you'd floor it, there was such a delay. That was actually quicker. The traction light came on. Man, floored it. Okay, it seems to be driving good. There's the skunk. Oh man, that's... Alright, so that's how you do your transmission flush on the BK2 Genesis 3.8 automatic. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and watch our future videos.